Mastering Video Game Design and Virtual Environments at IE provides a comprehensive training with a strong technical foundation, but it goes much further. It's about pushing boundaries, combining advanced skills with creative thinking to redefine what games and virtual environments can achieve. This program prepares you to innovate, lead, and create meaningful impact in the gaming and immersive tech industries. This program is open to anyone with a creative mindset and a proven ability to create, whether it's a story, a prototype, or any project that showcases your imagination and drive. It's not just for those who see video games and virtual environments as entertainment, but for individuals who view them as a platform for innovation, expression, and social impact. You could come from any background: psychology, biology, mathematics, sports, marketing, retail, or the arts, as long as you're ready to explore how your skills can connect to gaming and virtual environments in transformative ways. Students will develop a mix of technical, creative, and strategic skills, from mastering tools like Unreal Engine, Unity, or Blender, to crafting immersive narratives and innovative gameplay mechanics through creative coding, spatial and physical computing, sound design, and more. They will also refine critical thinking, learn to manage complex projects, and explore intersection of technology, art, and social impact, preparing them to lead and innovate the rapidly evolving gaming and virtual environment industry. Graduates can pursue a wide range of roles in the gaming and immersive technology industry, such as game designer, level designer, narrative designer, XR developer, or technical artist. Beyond gaming, they can work in fields like education, healthcare, architecture, or marketing, using their skills to create interactive experiences, immersive environments, and innovative applications of virtual and augmented reality. The program equips students to lead in creative, technical, and strategic roles across creative industries. Students will build a dynamic and diverse network of peers, industry professionals, and faculty experts from around the globe. A key benefit of the program is its tailored advising and mentoring network, where students receive guidance from leading professionals in the gaming, XR, and immersive tech industries. Through workshops, seminars, and collaborations, they will connect with innovators shaping the future. Plus, IE's strong network of over 80,000 alumni and ties to international companies provide opportunities to form lasting professional relationships that can open doors worldwide. The program integrates the latest technologies and tools directly into the curriculum to ensure students stay at the cutting edge of the industry. From mastering tools such as Unreal Engine and Blender to exploring technologies like generative AI, procedural content generation, or computer vision systems, students engage with emerging trends and techniques. They will work with 3D scanning and motion capture technologies while analyzing real-world case studies of tools like AI agents for 3D and multi-world generation. This mix between hands-on approach and critical thinking ensures they understand how to leverage these innovations to create groundbreaking projects in gaming and immersive environments.